Hi, I'm Amit Kumar Dev, a 3D artist and animator. Over the years, I have worked on many exciting projects in modeling and animation. Now, I am here to guide you through your Blender journey. In today's digital era, learning Blender is not just a cool skill, it's a superpower from gaming and animation to virtual reality and product design. 3D content is everywhere. Blender gives you the tools to create all of that for free. With industries shifting towards digital experiences, having 3D skills open doors to exciting careers, freelancing opportunities, and even your own creative projects. Whether you are an artist, a designer, or just curious, now it is the perfect time to dive into Blender. In this beginner-friendly course, we are going to make Blender feel simple, fun, and exciting to use. We will start from scratch, from downloading and installing Blender to getting familiar with the interface and learning how to move confidently in 3D space. You will learn how to navigate, select, manipulate objects smoothly, even if you have never used 3D software before. Then, we will explore the essential tools and objects, play with some cool features like emissive gluing meshes, and dip into basic materials to add life and color to your model. This course is designed to help you learn fast without skipping the important stuff. In a short amount of time, you will have a solid understanding of Blender's core features. And yes, you would not just watch, you will actually get hands-on with what you learn through small practical exercises designed to build your skill step by step. So if you have been waiting to explore the world of 3D but don't know where to begin, this is your perfect starting point. Let's open Blender and dive right in.